Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox these two parcels. So before unboxing, this is a cute lamp which I purchased online. If you like to purchase like these, I gave a link in the description. Check just in case it may be useful. So let's open now. Okay, inside that's all. We have a pouch inside this like this. This looks pretty good. So let's open this. Okay, inside we have some special bundle. So let's check what we have. This is a 1 rupee bundle signed by S Venkatraman, and the year is 1985. You can see 1985 here. So this is a 1 rupee bundle of 1985 S Venkatraman signature. So let's check the other currency. This one is 5 rupee bundle of R.N Malhotra. You can see here R.N Malhotra, and this is also in a good condition. So one parcel has these two bundles. So let's check other one here. This one, let's quickly open up. So inside we have a packing, nothing more inside. That's all. So let's quickly open this. I think he have used stabler pins, I think so. So let's try to open up. Okay, here we have opened the other one side. So let's try the other sides also. Okay, so we have one more side to open. Okay, that's all. We opened it, right? So let's also open these. Sorry. So let's quickly open this also. Okay, that's all. This is just a packing, and we got few coins here. Let's check what are all. The first coin we got here is actually this is a UNC condition coin. You can see clearly Jawaharlal Nehru 1 rupee coin. I think all nine, yes it is. All nine coins of Nehru are UNC in condition. All nine are same 1 rupee coins. And other collection we have here is the second collection. I think those two only are in. Sorry, you can see 1 cent Strait Settlements 1873. This is a like very fine condition, not much except like very fine condition. So sooner these will be on sale on our website. So what we got here is 9 1 rupee coins, 9 1 rupee coins of Nehru UNC, and 1 cent of Victoria Strait Settlements, and 2 bundles. One is of 5 rupee and one is of 1 rupee. So in these 2 parcels we got these like 1 2 3 4 4 items. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you all enjoy the video. Hit the like button.